Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to do vanish mode in Instagram. So if you want to do a vanish mode on Instagram, you can easily do this so that a message, video or image will only be accessible once, and then after that they will be vanished. So basically here I'm going to show you how you can easily do a vanish mode on Instagram. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to do a vanish mode in Instagram, the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application and select the chart you want to do a vanish mode with. Then you can see here, you turned on vanish mode. So that shows I have access to vanish mode on this particular chart. So whatever I do here, I have it in vanish mode. Now, to turn on vanish mode, all I just need to do is swipe up on the screen just like this. And once you see release to turn on vanish mode, let it go. Then this is going to come back to your normal message like this. Now, to enable vanish mode, again, just swipe up until you see the red button that says release to turn on vanish mode. So once you see the red button that says release to turn on vanish mode, then let it be. Then you should see the chart enter into a vanish mode. Then you can now go ahead, type in your message and send it. This message is going to disappear once it has been seen because the chart is on vanish mode. So to turn it off again, swipe up on it and let it go. Swipe up to enable it. You see that? So that is basically how to do vanish mode in Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.